Hey guys, we received this Matic Wi-Fi water leak detector for home with the app notification for test and try. So this have a 2.4 gigahertz gateway with a 6W61 sensor, 120 dB water, and the flood by drip alarm for basement, kitchen, or toilet or any other use. So this one gives you the kitchen alarm. So these are like the six sensors, so they have individual sensors so you can put in the different places. So and each sensor have their own battery, so everything is provided, so you can easily use that. So that's a good thing. It's a complete set. Also this supports the app connection and the base. So I will check show everything stepwise. So here are the things which comes with it that you can just put in, and they have this two AAA batteries that goes with the sensor. So there is a base or the gateway station which is a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi gateway. So it can be connected to the Wi-Fi and then to a app. So anything comes on these sensors or the sense by this sensor first come to the base. From the base it can go to the app, and then you can get the notification anywhere you want. So that's a good thing. So here I'm just showing like all these six sensors are like the same way, and I'm just putting in this base and also setting up with this adapter. So you can see like the base, it start communicating. They are the on off button with the different chimes and the volume control. And then this is the sensor, so it can sense the dip one or the logged the water one. The base, so you can listen to the noise when the water, see I just put some water on the table, and there you can see like the sensing here. So even if there is some water sprinkle or the drip on this top sensor, it will use that one. You can also change the chime or the things. So this base itself is 4.4 inches width and height with this LED indicator, and the sensors are the four flood probes in the bottom with a 120 dB horn and the drip detector with the small holes with the two AAA batteries and 3.22 inches by 1.96 inches. So now I'm setting this up with the app, and with the Tua smart app you can set this up. You have to get in the discovery mode, this base, and once this base in the discovery mode, it will sense and then comes up. So now it comes up, I can just set this up. Once set up, I can get the notification, and we can connect up to 24 sensors with a 328 feet transmission range. And so it's a really great set. You can put this sensor in the different places like in your utility room, near to the washer dryer or your dishwasher or the kitchen, and then different places. And then you can get the notification as soon as this pops up. See like there is a water sensor, so it goes to the base. From the base I am getting the notification on my cell phone. So wherever I am, I can still get the notification that there is a water leak. I can give the individual name, and I can check those things easily. So it's very great and helpful thing. And this have a waterproof testing as well. And also like with these all these different sensors and things, I can easily sense things here. So very nice water detection kit overall.